Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text message edit in Android or iOS. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all you need to search for this website, iFake text message, and after this website has appeared you can go to this website, and here you will be able to create text message conversation. You can add the name that you want to have a text message conversation with. For example, I'm just going to add this name, and you can type in the message. For example, I'm going to type hello, and then I'm going to add text message. I'm going to select this color for the second text message. I'm going to add how are you, and before you create the text message conversation you can take a look at the preview. This is the preview of the text message conversation, and I'm going to add one more text message guys. I'm going to add I'm fine, and then this is the preview. Once you're done you can click on create image, and then the text message conversation image will be automatically created, and we can download the image. Okay, just hold on. Alright, and now the image has been downloaded, and we'll be able to edit the text message conversation image. I'm going to use my CapCut application to edit the text message. I'm going to open my CapCut, and then I'm going to create a project in my CapCut application. Okay, tap on new project, and I'm going to tap on photos, and I'm gonna add this photo to my project. And here guys, we'll be able to replace the background or change the background. For example, I'm going to change the background of this text image. I'm gonna click on the image, and then I'm gonna go to the remove background. I'm gonna use the chroma key, and I'm going to pick this white color. And we can customize the intensity guys, just like so. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, and I'm gonna click on the check mark, and to change the background we can go to the background section. Just go back and select a background right here, and you can choose either you want to apply color, image, or blur, and I'm going to apply image. I'm gonna use image from CapCut. Okay, I think this background looks good, so I'm gonna use it for my text message, and we can click on the check mark, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make text message edit in Android or iOS. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.